Hey, how's you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. We have a beautiful day here at the lake today. Finally a day without snow. Man, oh man. You know, way back in February there when we had that first blow, the kids were all excited. They had a snow day from school. Well, they're not so excited now because it's turned into a snow month. I can't believe it, the snow we're getting. And it's blowing and drifting, but just look out over the lake there. It doesn't look like much. Looking out on the lake, just looks like, hey, isn't that nice? But you know what? Like down here in the front yard, you know, that drift is 4 feet deep. Look, it's almost drifted over Chris's trailer down there. But what I'm up to today is I'm going to do a little bit of plowing. We got some more snow there, was 2 days ago, I guess, but I was busy in the shop yesterday, wasn't able to get it plowed. So now I'm going to get ready and plow, and I think I'm going to be able to use my snow pusher wings today because there's not a lot of snow around, but there's some. So I'm going to plow out the landing in the lane and push the snow. So let's get at her and see what we can do on this beautiful sunny day. So on any day, getting ready to plow, have to open up the shed and get the tractor started. Okay, get started. Everything's in neutral. Put a little glow plugs on, a little bit of throttle. She was some cold last night, went down to about minus 16 or 18 or something like that. So I'm not sure how well we're going to start here this morning, but we'll try her, see what happens. Let the pump run a little bit, get some fuel pressure. I think it's going to go here. Just heat her up a little more. Massey came through again, eh? What a day, what a beautiful day we have here today. It started out, it was about 16 below this morning, and I don't know, it's about 16 above right now. Feels pretty warm to me. You know, my cab is not heated. A lot of folks say you should heat your cab, but you know, like I dress for being outside. I got my heavy covers on, my coveys on here with the insulated legs, pants, and big shirt. And I even leave the windshield open on the tractor there, if you see that. I leave the windshield cracked open here a bit. And that allows airflow in there, so my windscreen never ever frosts up. Not very often I get cold in there, but being out of the wind and out of the blowing snow, that's the key right there. And because I'm dressed for being outdoors, no big deal. My fingers sometimes get a little cold, or my toes, but only if I'm out, you know, for 3 or 4 hours at a time, and I rarely do that anymore. But anyway, we got it all plowed out here. Man, there's a lot of snow down. Long time since we had this much snow. Because I want this snow gone, I got to get to the woods and tap some trees to make some sugar and some maple syrup, and I'll be up to my oxters here in the snow in the woods. And then I put my taps in. By the time I finish and collecting and take the taps out, the snow will all be gone, and then the taps will be above my head. Oh well, another problem. Thanks for watching, folks. Sure hope you're having a great week wherever you are, and we'll talk to you.